Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a photo or video in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Now click on the chat of the person to whom you want to send the photo or video. Here in the bottom of your screen, you can see a picture icon. Click on it. Now scroll through your gallery and you can send a photo or video according to your preference. Now select a photo or video. You can select multiple of them. You'll just have to tap on them. After you're done, click on the send button. And that is how you can send a photo or video in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.